how to open junk email or spam folder in your Windows Mail app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to open the junk email or spam folder in the left pane of the Windows Mail app. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the Windows Mail app on your computer. You can find it in the start menu or by searching for mail. Once the app is open, look at the left pane. This is where you'll find all your email folders, including your inbox, sent item, and of course the junk email folder. To access the junk email folder, simply scroll down in the left pane until you see the junk email or the spam folder. Just click on it and there you have it. You can now view all the emails that has been marked as junk. If you find any emails that should not be in the junk folder, you can easily move them back to your inbox. And that's it for today, guys. If you want, you can simply empty all your junk email folder as well by deleting it. And that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and updates, and I'll see you in the next video.